Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel. What I have is how to cut a design hairline gown. I will start by measuring what I have here, but before then, now this fabric is folded into two. Now the waist for this particular one is 33, and I'm going to divide 33 by 4, which gives me approximately about 8.5 inches. Now I'm going to add extra one, making 9.5 inches. So I will start and I will measure 9.5. I have 9.5 here. I'm going to mark it out. Now for the base, which is the down part, what I have here is 9.5. I'm going to add extra 7 inches, which gives me about 17 inches. So that's what I shall be marking out at the base here. So I have my 17 inches plus 1. So I'm going to use the whole of this. So the next thing is for me to connect from the top here to the base. Now, lest I forget, this particular gown is an overlap A-line, and this one here is the one on top. This one here is going to be the one in front that we overlap a plain one, which I will bring out and cut. Now, as you can see, the line has been connected. The next thing is for me to cut it out. Now, having cut it out, the next thing is for me to design the front. Like I said, this one is going to be the layer. So I'm going to start off with the base. I'm marking out 2 inches. So having marked out 2 inches, so I'm going to slant it to the edge here. So I connect. So the next thing for me, I'm going to measure 2 inches from here, 2 inches, I mark, another 2 inches, I mark. So I'm going to do it to the middle of this place, the midpoint. Now, as you can see, I've marked it to the middle where I have 2 inches. The interval here is 2 inches. So to the midpoint. Now, the next thing is for me to take this fabric, this pattern, I'm going to lay it on another one of this, which is going to serve as the one at the back. And I'll also lay it on the plain material or fabric, which I shall be using to overlap this. This is the front. Okay. Like I said, this is an overlap A-line shape, A-line gown. Now, this is the front layer. I've used this to cut out these other 2 pieces. Now, this one is the back piece. And why I have an extra allowance here, this one serves as a zipper allowance, is 1.5 inches. Now, for this one is what this is overlapping. Now, why I've made it that the allowance here, the width of this one, that is the plain one, is 6 inches for the width. So it's going to have some pleatings to beautify this gown. That is what I've just done. Now, the next thing is for me to give this front piece a curved design. So this curved design is what I'm going to cut out, tracing it, and I straight it upward. So I'm going to trace it like that, following the mark. Now I've cut out the curve shape, as you can see. So this is, after this now, I'm going to lay this on the plain fabric for you to see. Now the next thing now is for me to lay it so that you can see. We have come to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed, please do. Click on the red button below, like this video and share. Bye bye.